Yesterday, the 12th April 2021, we received the information from BRO and from Nahai that one side of the ramp was broken. The approach to the Bailey Bridge. Okay, one side of them it was broken. So ultimately, the BRO along with Nahai has acted swiftly and undertaken repairing works today, and I'm happy to inform you that traffic has just resumed this afternoon. They have already completed the repairing works, and we made sure that the carrying capacity, the load capacity should not cross 40 metric ton. They should not cross, because if they cross, I'm telling you, this bridge will not last. From day one when I inaugurated that bridge, we already posted a full-time police personnel both sides of the bridge, because they have to regulate, because that is only one way. So both sides of the bridge, police personnel are manning, regulating the movement of carrying trucks, and I'm sure we have already instructed also those police personnel posted over there that they should make sure the limit capacity of 40 metric ton only should be allowed to ply over that bridge. So they have to check the papers, because see, whenever you enter, they have to go through the way bridges. Women through the women certificate, then they can just check and see, and then ultimately those who cross their allowed limit capacity has to be unloaded. Transport, be it police, in fact they are coordinating among themselves, police and transport personnel, to make sure the regulation of women, because regulation of women is so important at this juncture until unless we reconstruct a new bridge.